What's up, guys? It's Stu TV dropping another video for you. In today's video we are going to be doing an oil change on my girlfriend's car because she's been on my ass about it. She's needing an oil change for a minute. You guys don't have to watch that though. We're gonna skip past that. Also, we're going to be installing charge pipes onto the A3. Yeah, actually no, we're not. There's a lot of parts to go around here. I don't really know what I'm doing at all with this, but we're going to have to, holy fucking, we're gonna have to figure it out. Oh wait, this is the turbo inlet. We're also gonna be installing this today. It does, I guess, more boosty noises, moves through a little better, you know, I don't know. And this is actually just for the exhaust, but we're just gonna leave that in there because I tend to lose shit all the time. Also, depending on how ambitious I'm feeling, I might re-gap my spark plugs once again for the third time now, 2.20, because that is what my new tuner told me to gap them at. I actually ordered a tune from Sneaky Tuned. I know this is controversial. Some people might like them, some people don't. But I like that it's not a huge chain brand tuner. I like to think that EQT is kind of like a McDonald's. It's fucking Treyway. And Sneaky Tune is like a mom and pop shop, like a little cafe. Who's gonna give you better food? The mom and pop shop. Sneaky Tune seems to be a little more customizable and a little more personalized to the car. And the more personalized the tune gets to the car, the better the health of the vehicle is. And that's a fact. I don't know if the tune's coming today. It might have to be in the next video, but the tune I got, the tune that I purchased is a 93 octane tune and comes with another map for E30. Big baller shit, I already know. Pops and bangs in sports mode, just like the tune that I have on now does. On the Sneaky Tune, it's selected to extreme. So hopefully that little bitch over there sounds a little bit louder than it already does. And speaking of loudness right now, after I installed the downpipe, there is a little bit of rattle back there. I think the exhaust isn't clocked correctly. Wrong. Just wait till the end. And it's rubbing on a heat shield from under the car. Also, another option that might be rattling, installed that billet aluminum dog bone insert into the car, and that does create some harsher conditions. Also, we just hit 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you guys very much for everything. Also, we hit 645,000 on TikTok, so that's fucking baller as well. But I'm really trying to do this YouTube shit. So if you're from TikTok, hit that subscribe button. Stick with me. Join the family. Go in the description below. Buy some merch. And if you need any parts for your German cars, go in the description below. Go to ARM Motorsports. I never say it right in a video. ARM Motorsports. Use code STUTV10 for 10% off of all parts for your German car. If you guys want a little bit of a game plan for the next videos to come on the channel, I'm 100% doing a reaction video with my family, my mom, my brother, and maybe if my dad wants to be in it. We're going to do a reaction video with the A3 tuned on E30, and we're going to scare the shit out of them. I know my brother's going to give a great reaction. And as far as car parts go, I think my next car part might actually be a front mount intercooler, because ARM Motorsports, as you see there, is giving me a giant discount on another one. And please excuse the mess in my garage. We're moving to a house through the woods over there. All right, so I did my girlfriend's oil change, and on the way home from getting oil, I was going to install the charge pipes, but now my car does a shuddering noise every time you do a pull. All right, we have it up on jack stand, so I'm basically just going to let you guys know if I find anything. The only thing that I see that could be the cause of something like this is that the exhaust is laying right up against this heat shield that goes onto the body. I knew about this. I kind of just threw it together, so I might see real quick if I can loosen this V-band up and that V-band down there and kind of rotate it a little bit. All right, I know it looks like I did absolutely nothing, but if you see up there, you can't see it from this angle, but I dented the shit out of this dust shield, heat shield, so the exhaust wasn't resting like directly on it. And hopefully that helps with vibrations. For everything else, I don't see anything else that was wrong. I thought for a second that this came loose, but it didn't. One of my friends said it could be an axle. Axle boots look fine. Obviously the axles are all right. Someone said it was my bumper messed up. There's no rub marks. Well, that could potentially be it. I don't think that would do it. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to zip tie that shut right there just to make sure that's not it. Let's do that now. All right, this video is already really weird. There's no consistency in this video, I know, so stick with me because we're gonna get to the end. We're gonna make it. It's gonna be all right. So what I was trying to explain yesterday, obviously like 20 seconds ago in the video, the car is experiencing like a fluttering or tapping noise. Nah, I don't want to say tapping. A vibration noise when you get into boost. And I also discovered that I had an O2 sensor code. Understandably, because I installed the downpipe, but I also installed a stage 2 tune along with the downpipe. There was no break in the action. The car was only running on the stage 2 tune, so I'm not sure why that code even appeared. That might lead me to believe that either EQT sent me a catted downpipe tune. I don't even know if that's possible. I don't know if they would make that mistake. They are pretty reputable, so I'm not going to start talking shit on them. Or for some reason, maybe the car has a faulty O2 sensor, which that doesn't make sense either because it's a 2020. So I don't know what the fuck's going on. If you might know what the fuck's going on, tell me. Thank you. As for what this video was supposed to be about, I think we're going to be installing the turbo inlet later. We're going to try, and if we don't, then I'll broadcast like the car meet that I'm going to tomorrow, and we'll make that fun and interesting. But stick with me, guys. Hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to make content for you guys. I'm trying to make it interesting, trying to make it fun, trying to make it last, because I want to do this for the rest of my life, guys. All right, peace out. Next clip. I don't really know what's going to happen. All right, so I know I told you guys I was going to be... Don't fucking look at me. I don't like... Delaney's laughing at me. All right, anyway. I know I told you guys we were going to be installing the... probably the turbo inlet, but my car shutters at, like, when you do a pull, and then there's, like, a knocking noise on the right side of the car when you drive, like, 60 miles an hour. So we're going to try to figure out what that is. We're going to make sure my lugs are tight, make sure there's no grease around the axle. And honestly, I wish it was my strut that was broken, because then I would just get bags quicker. But, you know, Derek told me to get an Audi, so I got a fucking Audi. Guys. Do you have any words for yourself, dude?
Dude, listen, dude. Daza dead.
Yeah, the Daza.
Daza dead like cat.
Daza is really dead. All right.
Solomon.
What?
Why does she have glasses, dude?
Dude, I don't know. Because they're hot? I don't see anything wrong with the axle, dude. Hey, yo, Derek. We just tightened them yesterday.
Look at the drive shaft.
I gotta go back so far for that. Yo, guys, I found the problem. I'm missing a bolt on my drive shaft. Holy fuck. That could have been a lot worse. Holy shit. Someone go tell Cody he's driving to work Monday. Holy. Yo. Tell my daddy to come out here, dude. Yo, Cody, you might be driving to work Monday.
What's wrong? What happened?
Dad, I figured out the problem.
Yeah, you're the mechanic.
How'd you know?
Like that little sub to you.
Yeah, I don't know. For the cheap price?
Yeah, what's the price on the sub?
$1,600 a month.
Oh, shit. Did she just piss? I think she just squirted. I think Margaret just
No,
squirted.
Mom squirted it.
Oh. Mommy, I found a problem with my car.
You.
Why does everybody keep saying that?
Oh boy,
What?
I already see the problem.
What?
There's a bolt missing here. No, I'm joking.
I was like, what's missing there?
Actually, I don't know.
Or I had to move my drive shaft over to like put the downpipe in, and I forgot to tighten one of the bolts, and I lost it.
What bolt is it?
It's there. It's one of the 3 bolts in the drive shaft. Yeah, I know.
So how'd you figure out that it was missing?
I looked at it.
Okay, so you didn't like nothing happened though.
What?
No, he just didn't tighten it.
Yeah, I just didn't tighten it. All right, so if you couldn't tell by the nonsense going on in the video, I did something really stupid, and I thought I tightened all the bolts. And stop! I thought you were laughing at me. And I didn't tighten all the bolts together on the drive shaft. On the drive shaft. So I ordered new drive shaft bolts, and we're gonna have to wait till next week, obviously, to install parts. So we'll probably throw that in. We'll try to do the charge pipes for turbo inlet. I don't know if I'm gonna do it tomorrow or not, but if I am, I'll obviously make a video. This is Kylie. This is my girlfriend. This is my wife. She doesn't like to be in the video. Stop. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Click the link above. Buy some merch. If you need a price for your German car, go in the description below. Go to armmotorsports.com. I think because I'm sponsored by them and you're not, so stop staring at me. Use code STUTV10 for 10% off everything on the website. Huh?
They don't have RS2 parts.
Oh, they don't? Whack. All right. Peace out, guys. Thanks.
Follow, beach.
You already heard. I figured out the problem.
Yeah, you're the mechanic.
I found the problem with my car.